Welcome to your dream student living experience at St. Mary's, Newcastle, where everything is designed to make your student life truly memorable. This stunning property offers a variety of private studios, ensuites, non-ensuites, and two-bedroom apartments, all within a lively and welcoming community in the heart of Newcastle. Each room is thoughtfully equipped with a cozy bed and other amenities to make your stay extremely comfortable. But that's not all. Enjoy peaceful moments in the garden, take advantage of the convenient on-site laundry room, and stay focused in the study area, all with unlimited Wi-Fi. Plus, top-level security with CCTV and fob entry system ensures your safety. The location is ideal, just a short drive from Newcastle College and Newcastle University. This amazing apartment is surrounded by delicious dining options like dough and shakes and Noodles King. For daily essentials, nearby convenience stores like Premier have you covered. Commuting is easy with Fenham Hall Drive, Queensway bus stop nearby. Excited to begin your journey at St. Mary's, Newcastle? Don't wait anymore. Book your room today at amberstudent.com and start an unforgettable journey at Newcastle.